Hi guys, so today we're going to unbox my new toy, and it is the 2020 Gravity Blade all-terrain e-scooter. So let's unbox it, let's start! Alright, I'm so excited. I want to see how this one looks like in person. Because based on all those videos I've seen, it's really nice and it looks so durable. So let's see. So there you go. Here is what's inside the box. So it comes with a charger, and this one is the adapter. And this one is the LED headlight. So what's inside the box? So it comes with a charger, and then this one is the adapter. It also comes with a manual. It's the user manual with the L key. So here's the LED headlight, and it comes with an LED monitor where you can see the speed and also the battery status. And another thing which is good about this Gravity Blade is that it has a kickstand right over there. There's another LED light here at the back, wherein once you click or hit this, there's a light flashing in here. So we're gonna show you after we assemble this. And you can fully charge this in 2 to 3 hours. So guys, as you can see on the box, this next evolution e-scooter includes LED headlight, rear drum brake with brake light, double suspension shocks for a smooth ride, LED display where you can see the battery level and also the speed. It also has horn and kickstand, and it has 3 speeds, maximum speed 20 km/h and then 12 miles per hour. 3 adjustable heights, fold flat for easy storage, and powered by a 300 watts motor. So here you go. So as you can see, there's the kickstand over here. And then if you want to open it, you just have to kick this one right here. And once you hear the click sound, it means that it's locked. And here's the LED display. There you go. It will show you the battery life. And then this is the speed. If you want to change the speed, you just have to press this button. And then there you go. There. It also has a horn over here. And then this one is for the brake. Look at the back of this toy. Every time you hit this brake, the light will turn on. And then this one right over here, this one is for the headlight, LED headlight. And the most important is the accelerator.
Ay, oo nga, no. Sandali. Tama si Archie.